Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shivangi, and next up in the Materia Medica series is Veratrum Album. So I'll tell you how will you recognize Veratrum patient when they enter your cabin. So this patient is very brand oriented and showy. Veratrum people are very haughty and contemptuous. When they carry themselves, they want to establish themselves as a brand. They want to make themselves known to you. And they'll do that from the things they wear, from all the vanity they'll show off. So this is a very haughty remedy that can be compared to platina as well as palladium. Now, as we try to understand miasm of Veratrum Album, it is again psychosyphilitic remedy. In psychotic sphere, there is a lot of showiness, pompousness, and they'll try to show off. They'll try to put someone else down through the vanity they possess, and they are very brand oriented. As they progress towards the syphilitic sphere, there is immense hysteria and insanity. It is a remedy that has a lot of lewdness and lasciviousness. In insanity, they try to tear their clothes off. They try to expose themselves as well as someone else. They'll try to go and kiss everyone. This is the peculiar insanity that is there in Veratrum. Another picture of Veratrum has immense religious mania. Now it is given in Kent that when the person is in religious frenzy, they will pray so loudly that their prayers can be heard 2 or 3 blocks away. Now this religious mania can be compared to stramonium as well. A very important physical characteristic aspect of Veratrum Album is that there is marked coldness and collapse. So there is immense diarrhea, vomiting, all the discharges that are there, especially sweat is cold to touch, and even the skin becomes clammy and cold because of immense collapse and loss of fluids. And if you want to know about drugs especially, then you can enroll to the next lecture, HMM lecture that I am going to take on 26th October. To enroll for that lecture, you can contact on the number given below, and stay tuned for other such interesting Materia Medica as well as other lectures. Thank you.